報警。同埋我以前嘅經驗就係、我哋一去到現場，如果個火唔係好大，我試過就係話，嗰間屋有煙滲出嚟，我哋即係撞開咗道門，發覺佢個派神嗰個神台焫着咗，都又唔係好個火都大大地，好多黑煙。咁由於我哋啲同事，就算係開一啲消防喉準備，佢呢個時間㗎嘛，我哋第一時間就掹個喉碌出嚟。咁其實佢未做完晒，其實個喉碌已經係大部分已經係將個事故控制咗。所以有水到咧，就個火唔係高過你嘅人咧，其實應該都可以治到嘅，都可以處理得到。咁當然，如果危險又驚，唔好做啦，離開啦。你有機會去旅行，有機會喺唔同嘅地點，如果你都識用嘅，可能真係幫到手，令到本來個事故好少就已經處理咗，唔會有大嘅災難出現。如果係冇人處理咧，個房可能好細嘅火，焫着床褥啊、梳化啊、窗簾啊，咁啊 sorry 啊，跟住蔓延得好快，就真係要等消防嚟，都未必即刻救得成。讚我嘅 ，well done。
Then you will unlock the fire extinguisher.
嗱，你睇呢條卡。Yeah。揸住個圈，揸順啲。
And then hold the handle of the nozzle.
係，跟住就。
And target to the fire and put it out.
吹住個針。
可以拎到出嚟，跟住第三步咧就係、要攞呢一個細嘅錘仔去打爛呢一個玻璃，然後攞呢一個喉碌出嚟。So the third step is you use this little hammer and break the glass over this box, so you will be able to get the fire hose and the nozzle out to put out the fire.
事故發生之外，個消防兵會運行將啲水加壓。
So when you actually feel or sense some smoke at the corridors, you will be able to use the fire hose to put out the fire.
咁咧就唔需要行得太近㗎，距離2-3米遠，開水射埋就 OK。
You don't have to be very close to the fire. You can actually have the distance of 2 to 3 meters to put out the fire by using the fire hose. So Mr. Tan will have a demonstration of it. So make sure it's working.